A professional engineer dies and because of some misfiled paperwork ends up in hell. Trudging through the sweltering heat, eventually comes across Satan and says, with a little work we could probably cool this place off. At first Satan is enraged and prepares to unleash fury on this engineer for his insinuation. But then he thinks and says, it is a little unseemly hot down here. We could certainly cool this place down. 6 weeks later, they have a working air conditioning system. Months later, many improvements have been made. One day, God's feeling particularly cocky, so he calls Satan down in hell and asks, "Hey there, buddy, hot enough for you?" To which Satan truthfully answers, "Actually, it's a nice 73 Fahrenheit down here. Perfect, really. And we've almost got escalators installed, making the whole toil thing really a lot easier." God's confused and Satan fills him in on the engineer that mistakenly got sent down there. God is furious. He says, "Well, that won't do. You've got to send him back up right away." Satan says, "Not a chance. This guy is great." God says, "I'll sue you." Satan says, "Ha, where are you going to get a lawyer?"